In this video, we're going to learn how to use the lower string method in Python to make all of the letters in a string lowercase. So the first thing we'll do is make a test string. We'll have here string is equal to sum of the letters are uppercase. So in this string here, we have some uppercase letters and the rest are lowercase letters. We'll use the lower method to make all of the letters lowercase. We'll have here new string is equal to string.lower. So here we're calling the lower method. It's going to return a new string that's identical to this string here, except for any uppercase letters in the string will be turned into lowercase letters. We can confirm that by printing out the new string. We'll have here print and then new string. And if we save our program and then test it out, we can see that we get the string some of the letters are uppercase. So all of the uppercase letters in the original string have been made into lowercase letters in the new string. Notably, the lower method will ignore all characters that are not uppercase letters. So for example, lowercase letters, spaces, symbols, digits, those characters will be ignored by the lower method. So this is how we can use the lower string method in Python to make all the letters of a string lowercase. Check out portfoliocourses.com, where we'll help you build a portfolio that will impress employers.